Today will be a very simple tidbit of advice that I think will go very far for you. How do I say it? A lot of people, I would say when you're younger, especially, you're worried about um, people talking about you, right? A lot of people, I believe Earl Nightingale says that one of um, the biggest desires of young people, is how he calls it, is to be liked by others. And naturally, what comes with that, at least as far as I remember when I was younger, what comes with that is you're worried about what other people are thinking or what other people are saying about you. One of the best ways to deal with that is to make a commitment to never speak bad about other people, whether they are in the room or outside of the room. This goes back to how to win friends and influence people. I believe the first rule is don't criticize or condemn. No matter what, a person always thinks they're right. You know, Dale Carnegie talks about how Two Gun Crowley, a notorious murderer in New York, as he was dying after he had shot a cop who did nothing to him other than ask for his ID, he said, "This is what I get for defending myself." Al Capone, same thing. No matter who it is, they're going to believe they're right. Okay, because from their perspective, they are. I guess that's just how human nature is. Anyway, getting off track, but don't speak badly about people. Only and go out of your way to speak very good about people. Because if you do that, it keeps you from worrying about what other people are saying about you. Because the people who are saying bad about you are not as big as you. We only care about the opinions of people who are better than us, technically, right? So if you're already better than people who talk bad about themselves, you won't care about people talking bad about you. And people talking good about you, by you putting that out there, other people will talk good about you, and you'll notice things like that more. It's a small tip. Promise it's a huge thing though, especially when you're younger or when you're more insecure. That's a big problem. A lot of people worry about this kind of thing. Don't talk bad about people. This is advice I guess I get across the board from great thinkers, smart people, leaders. Do not talk bad about people behind their back in person. You won't care what people are thinking about you or saying about you, at least, if you can commit to this. It's hard. Do your best. Each day, recommit yourself to not talking bad about people. Talk as much good as you can about them. Good luck.